The starting point for the creation and design of the BASA agreement in maintenance was a delta analysis between FAA and EASA requirements. For the BASA MAG, EASA Part 145 was compared with the US 14 CFR Parts 43 and 145. If no appropriate conformity of the respective requirements could be determined, EASA and FAA agreed on special conditions. On the European side, these special conditions regulate the procedure for achieving conformity with the American specifications. They contain requirements for the following parties: the EASA, the national authorities, European maintenance organizations with FAA approval. Only if a maintenance organization based in the EU and approved in accordance with EASA Part 145 meets the U.S. special conditions, the requirements for an approval as a FAA repair station are fulfilled. Vice versa, there are comparable requirements from the Europeans to the U.S. This means maintenance organizations in the USA must hold an EASA Part 145 approval.
Give us a call or send us an email if you are interested in this e-learning.